This is a variety called Mesa Russet. It was developed here at the Research Center, the breeding program at Colorado State University. And we've been growing it for, oh gosh, I don't know, probably close to 20 years. PVY is short for potato virus Y. There are different strains of potato viruses. Y just happens to be one that's pretty prolific and probably one of the more challenging diseases that potato growers are dealing with and all across the country, not just here in Colorado. If you had the perfect potato, it would be high yielding, disease resistant, use less inputs, less water, fertilizer, everything like that. Shelf life. They're still going to be a perishable product. You don't want them to be like a rock that would sit on the shelf for years. But as seed growers, disease resistance is important so that we can be able to sell seed to your customers that, and then they can produce a good crop with. So there's actually the seed piece that we planted. And then these are the daughter, what they call the daughter tubers. They got some growing to do yet. For quite a few years, we've been working with Colorado State University, the researchers. Samuel Essaw, he does some fertility management trials, and that's a lot what this is. He will come and plant these replicated plots so that they're under a normal growing situation as opposed to in a research situation on the research farm.